and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Willing Towards Success. My name is Danielle Wheeler, and today we're going to talk about relationships. And I want to be clear with my approach because relationships is such a difficult topic, because in relationships, everything should be 50-50. Each, or should I say both parties, should be both giving and receiving. And in relationships nowadays, it's only one person that's giving. So why is that? Sometimes people don't know what it is that they need or what it is that they want. And sometimes an individual's needs and want changes. But in any ship, it is important to be clear about what it is that you need and want from that person. If you've been given everything you have in that ship and you're not receiving anything in return, it's time to reevaluate that relationship or love them from afar. That goes for your mother, sister, dad, aunt, uncle, best friend, cousin, whomever, whatever. Love them from afar, because you want people in your corner that want nothing but the absolute best for you. Seriously. I'm at a point in my life where I want positive vibes only. Like just recently, I went through something like not even a month ago, like with a person I never thought I would have differences with. You know, somebody that taught me to be unapologetic about decisions that I want for my life, and instantly like just switched up on me out of nowhere. And excuse the slang, I mean, they changed their behavior towards how they felt about me, if I'm being politically correct. So why do I think this has happened? Because I'm finally at a point in my life where I'm focusing on me and I'm putting my needs first and trying to better myself and chase my dream. And I'm used to going above and beyond for everybody and putting their needs before mine. And I'm not doing that anymore. And I think it shook a lot of people because they like, what is this? Like, who is this person? And it's taught me a valuable lesson about relationships and about myself. One, I don't want anybody in my circle that doesn't want the absolute best for me. I mean, praying for me at night, motivating me in the morning. That's all I need and that's all I want at this point, because that's all I give, so I need that back. And secondly is that I love hard. And I want the best for my team. I want the best for everybody. I want everybody to win. I want everybody to succeed. Whatever it is that you wanted, how can we get it? And I don't think people understand that. And that's okay, because I'm learning on this journey that I can't take everybody with me. So for you out there watching on your journey, you can't take everybody with you. And it is okay. Be the best that you can be. Focus on you, bettering yourself, loving yourself, what interests you, and people will gravitate to your energy. Trust me. And thank you all for tuning in. I hope I helped. And if you need anything, put the comment below. I will get back to you. Inbox me, email me, whatever. Like, we went in together. And thank you for tuning in. Bye.